Okay, we're starting here. It's 3 August 2025. All right. 12:42. Start this. Okay, we're live. It is 3 August 2025. All right. Get this over here. We're unboxing a National RX-F6. This is a National RX-F20. And then this is a National RX-5180. Anyway, so here's the box. I only put 2 bids on there, and it there it is. So let me just open it, and it looks like it's shipped in pretty much a box that, well, yeah, I can see it already. This is just shipped with paper and 1 layer of bubble wrap, it looks like, over the original box that it came in. Because, you know, and this came all the way from way over there. I only put 2 bids on this. For those of you that may have also bidded on it, I don't know, there were a lot of bids, but I only put 2 bids. I put 1 bid, and then I didn't think that was high enough, so I put a 2nd bid, and nobody outbid me, so I got it. And yeah, just paper, not even cardboard, and it got here all the way from way over there. Okay. Yes, so I did call it right. It's like love call, right? Okay. Alright, so now we just rip into this, right? And we just you would hope that, you know, this ships the way it got here, that other shippers would have the same respect for their packages and not toss them about. So, because I recently shipped something to somebody and I packed it very well, I thought, with lots of overwrap, and it still arrived damaged, and I can't believe that. I just don't understand it. Okay, so here it is. It says, let's see, I don't want to trip on this. Alright, so this says Love Call. It's a National, alright. I know it's not the best lighting, but that's the bottom. Okay, so once again, this is a, well, can't really get good lighting here, but that's what it says there. This is only going to be here for a month, so, but the YouTube will be there for a long time. Alright, so, and here's the end. Alright, I'll show you the end. Alright, so there you go. What's on the other end? Probably pretty much the same thing, I guess. There's the other end. The other end. Okay, great. So let's get into it and see what's inside. So here, we pop this open. Let's see here. So just lift that up. Lift this up. We've got, okay, no plastic wrap, but we do have the original styrofoam. So if we just pull it out like that, we've got, in the box we have, what do we have? We have nothing now. We have, I guess, the registration papers. There's some other paper in here. What is this? It's just a informational something. Okay, so I don't know what that's about. And here is, I guess, a list of warranty places, all written in Japanese script. I can't read any of that. All right. Okay, so here's this, and there's what on this end, right? And on this end looks like the power supply. Okay, like that. So now we'll just, yeah, it definitely feels like a power supply. That's what it is. So we'll use this, I guess, to power this, because I don't want to be searching around for the correct adapter and all that. Take the rubber band off, don't need that. I'll just put that up here. Okay, so we just get ourselves unplug this puppy. Okay, so unplug that. And this is rated for date code National AC adapter model RD-9402. Output 9 volt at DC 500 milliamp, or half an amp. Okay, so half an amp. Plug this in here, which is 120 volts, roughly. Okay, take the other end off. And this has your basic controls of balance, tone, volume, your mixing volume, your what is it? Your mono, stereo, and stereo wide, your tape and off, radio, and then line in, your mixing volume, and over here you have, because this has TV control, it has AM, FM, and an FM stereo. Got the complete antenna. You have a full complement of line in, line out, external microphones, external speakers. Wow. And then a set of headphones and of course your input jack. Alright. And on this end, because it's just AM, FM, just a tuning knob, in the back it has a battery compartment which has got nothing in there, and there's no dust in the back panel. This is still there, but it's crumbly. And the terminals are bright and shiny and clean and all that. So we will plug this in. I bet you it should work. Okay, so it's this end. Alright, so plug it in here. We should have power, right? If we turn it on, we got nothing. Uh-oh. All that and nothing. Well, you got power. Maybe it needs, oh, the volumes are all off. Okay. There we go. That's the balance, and that's the tone. Okay. So, and it's centered on 90 hertz, so let's crank it up some. Of course, copy hadn't been played in a while, so it needs a chance to warm up all the electronics inside. Yeah, it's going to take a while for that to warm up, I'm sure. Let's see, let's try AM.
Back voltage makes it even scary. They also
we got some AM.
You know,
easy about
Go back to FM stereo. Okay, well, and that's line in. That's this. So let's try the tape. Let's eject the tape, which is this one here. Opens and closes. The door is not loose in any way. Let's hit that. The fast forward works fine with good torque. The rewind works with good torque. Play is working. That the take-up reel is spinning, and that is turning. That pinch rail is turning against the capstan, so we'll hit stop. Let's take a tape that we are just playing at the beginning of this, which is this one here, which is a TDK with the green. It's alloy. Okay. hit that, hit play. This full blast. Yeah, just a little bit. This has TPS, which means take program search. It does not have a selector, so it's just a one-time only. So it should zip to the next song and then kick off and play. There we go, did it. That's the tape, not the machine. Now that we know what that sounds like, I want to play it versus the F20 over here. Exact same everything, that's just playing on batteries. Go back to this. Okay, so these sound the same, just the features are different. It's the battle of the small radios. is a F6, this is an F20. I don't know what numbers there are in between, but this one has, in the national version, this has a music selector switch of up to 3 times, but it doesn't work on this model because this one is just very broken as far as everything about it I've already described. It only works on batteries because that's tore out and this is all broke on the corner, but who cares, it all works. Okay, so you can only power this one on batteries. This one can take an AC adapter because, as you can hear, it plugs in. But this only has a one-time TPS, either forwards or backwards. This one has it up to 3. That's basically the only difference. They all have the same controls. When this one adds metal, chrome, or normal tape capability, whereas this one just has mono, stereo, and stereo wide, and then of course your tape, radio, and line in. Okay. Anyway, good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed it. Just had to do that. I had to make a little comparison for myself, and hopefully you can hear the difference, which there is not much of a difference. I just believe this one sounds just a fraction better than that one, but this one sounds just as good as they both do. Alright, so let me get this here, because I started this one first. Alright, and so let me get the box here and put it up here. Alright, so, yeah. Okay, here, just put this up here. Just kind of balance it there. Well, okay, well, it won't let me balance it here. Let's do it like that. There we go. We'll just take a picture. Oh wow, 17 minutes. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. Oh, here, did I show you the controls like that? This one has the same controls plus one extra deal for the metal tape and all that. This one doesn't have that selector. That's the only difference between the two. Alright, so thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. Gotta go. So, yeah.